Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two incredible robot vacuums that are sure to make your cleaning routine a breeze. In the left corner, we have the Roborock Q5 Plus, and in the right corner, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top in different categories. Both the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop are priced at $699. So in terms of affordability, they are evenly matched. When it comes to hands-free cleaning, the Roborock Q5 Plus takes the lead. It features a self-empty dock that automatically empties the dustbin after each cleanup, allowing for up to 7 weeks without manual emptying. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop offers excellent navigation capabilities with its 360 degrees litter vision. The Roborock Q5 Plus utilizes PreciSense litter navigation, which creates precise maps of your home and even allows for virtual recreations. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop also offers excellent navigation with its 360 degrees litter vision, allowing for methodical cleaning and obstacle detection. The Roborock Q5 Plus boasts a powerful 2,700 Pascal suction, making it perfect for households with pets or high-traffic areas. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop impresses with its ultra-powerful vacuum and simultaneous sonic mopping function. The Roborock Q5 Plus features a multi-plane floating main brush that provides deeper cleaning even on uneven surfaces and is resistant to hair tangles. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop comes with a self-cleaning brush roll that pulls up debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces while preventing hair wrap. The Roborock Q5 Plus is powered by a high-capacity battery and has a 470 ml dustbin, allowing for long-lasting cleaning. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris in its bagless base and has a recharge and resume feature for uninterrupted cleaning. Overall, both the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop have received positive reviews. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the Roborock Q5 Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Both of these products offer impressive features and performance, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.